Hello everyone, my name is Kuldeep Singh Rathod and welcome in GetWala platform. So guys, recently Government of India constituted 8th pay commission, so lots of students are very curious. Sir, is that PSU salary, ESC IRMS salary, ISRO scientist salary and the other engineering related government job salary is going to hike? So definitely guys, if like the 8th pay commissions are constituted and the all major reforms done in a salary, then it's impact all the government jobs. So engineering related government job salaries are also going to hike. So if we talk about guys, recently the 8th pay commission salary hike is hike related committees stabilized. And if we talk about the PIB official press release, so recently the PIB press and information bureau, which are the official press sites of government of India, they release the official tweet like Prime Minister approved setup of the 8th central pay commissions for all employee of the central government. It means currently the committee is going to the commission is going to analyze all the factors, like how much salary we need to hike and how much factors they need to calculate while increasing the salary, and the amount of salary hike. This all will be set up and discussed during the in these commissions. And guys, till now after independence 1947, approximately 7 pay commission stabilized and constituted, but the last one pay commission is 7th pay commission, and it's implemented in 2016, and the last salary rise in a government job is also happen in 2016. So guys, actually when you join the government job, then whatever basic pay you receive, the 3% annual increment is always there, but the basic pay hike is only go through either you get a promotions, or if in the same post if salary is hike, then it's possible through the pay commissions. So guys, official lots of announcement currently government is doing is that doing for this. And if we talk about guys the 8th pay commissions, there are maybe is that possibility like the salary will increase 2.57 to 2.86 times. It's a this is the possibilities. If you observe the fitment factors, then the fitment factor is a multiplier which provide you like how much the basic pay previously the particular employee have, and now after the implementation of the pay commission, how much multiply we need to done this do for the salary to increase the amount of salary. So this is also going to happen. So guys, if we analyze the past year couple of pay commissions, then you can observe the fitment factor for 7th pay commission is 2.57, and under the 7th pay commissions the salary, the basic pay is multiplied by 2.57. It means if one employee is currently getting the salary of approximately 10,000, then the fitment factor is 2.57. It means 10,000 into 2.57, then the basic pay is approximately 25,000 something, 25,700. So if we talk about the 7th pay commission, then the fitment factor is 1.86, and if we talk about the 5th pay commission, then fitment factor is 1.40. So the with this example you can analyze. So guys, many students have a aim to join PSUs or the other government job like BRC, and also they will get lots of idea through this. For an example, if you are able to observe the pay slab of ONGC and the other organization, then it's in the range of 60,000 to 1,80,000. So guys, if as per the projections of 8th pay commissions, and by the analyzing the lots of current developments and the statement of lots of professionals, so it's possible like the fitment factor are in the range of 2.28 to 2.86. So for an example, if the fitment factor is 2.28, it means currently the basic pay of particular PSU is 60,000, then you will receive salary, the basic pay will increase by 2.28 time, and accordingly the salary of basic pay will increase. So guys, it depend on the pay commission's review, like how much fitment factor will need to set, so the cost of the salary is also not too high for on the government, so the other related activities countries, like the development of country, they are able to focus. So guys, accordingly it's depend on lots of factor, and there are possibility like 8th pay commission, salary hike, things are highly accurate with the current trend of like inflations and the need to match with the corporate job, because the quality of minds who are able to perform well in the examinations like GATE and BRC scientist examination, ISRO scientist examinations, they are joining government sector, and then they are expecting the good amount of salary for their hard work. So that's why the 8th pay commission will resolve lots of the salary related issues, and we can expect like in 2026 budget maybe the implementation will be done, and in throughout the 2025 the detailed analysis for that particular field is happen. So guys, there are lots of development currently going on in this particular part, and definitely it's a good news for engineering community also, because if 8th pay commission is stabilized, then in the government job like a BRC scientist, ISRO scientist, GATE, PSU job, the salary hikes is going to happen, and it's a big motivation for the students who currently preparing for the examinations like GATE or the other examinations. So definitely guys, keep preparing, and if any other development will happen, we will inform you through the video. Thank you so much. See you in another video. Till then, goodbye, take care.